Hey guys, it's Miss Lily. I'm going to help you guys get started on the word problems today. Um, it says the senior class at High School A and High School B plan separate trips to the local amusement park. The senior class at High School A rented and filled 2 vans and 12 buses with 520 students. High School B rented and filled 13 vans and 3 buses with 230 students. Every van had the same number of students in it as it did buses. How many students can a van carry? How many students can a bus carry? So when I look at this, the first thing I think of is I've got vans and buses. Okay, so I'm going to use the variables that go with the letters, kind of make it easy to set up an equation. So I'm going to say 2 vans and, which is plus 12 buses, is going to equal 520 students. All right, High School B rented and filled 13 vans and 3 buses. So we're going to have 13 vans plus 3 buses is equal to 230 students. So this is where a lot of students get hung up, is they try to make setting up the equations harder than it really is. If you can get the equations set up, then you can do substitution, elimination, or graphing. Since substitution and elimination is from an earlier grade, we work mostly with graphing, so you would want to solve for X, solve for Y. In this case, it would be solve for V or solve for B. And then you graph those in your calculator and find the intersection points. If you want to revert back to substitution or elimination, feel free to do so. All right, real quick, I'm going to help you get set up on the next one, and then I'm going to let you figure out the answers on your own, but at least hopefully this will help you get started. Okay? All right, the next one, selling tickets for a musical. This one we have adult tickets and student tickets. Okay? So I'm going to do the same thing as I did before. Very easy. It gives us everything we need to know. So we're going to say 6 adult tickets plus 1 student ticket equals $23. All right, the school took $106, so that's the amount, on the second day by 12 adult and 14 students. So they just mixed the numbers up in this case. So you have 12 adult plus 14 students equals $106. So even though they switched the numbers, if you use the variable, the letter of the word, it kind of helps hopefully get those set up. So again, you can solve for A, solve for S, it doesn't matter. Plug those in, find the intersection point, and that would be your solution. That would tell you how many adults and how many students it would take to equal those prices. The intersection point is the point that makes both equations true. So when you plugged it in each equation, it should make a true statement, and that would tell you that your solution is correct. All right, hopefully this helped a little bit, and hope you guys have a great week.